Florida just hit the gas on criminalizing extreme speeding. As of July 1st, if you are caught going 100 miles per hour or more, or 50 over the limit, you are not just getting a ticket, you are getting cuffed. House Bill 351, also known as the super speeder law, makes this a criminal offense. First-time violators, up to 30 days in jail and a $500 fine. Second time, 90 days, $1,000, and your license could be gone for a year. Georgia has had a similar law since 2010, but Florida's version is tougher. It mandates a court appearance and creates a criminal record. That means higher insurance, job screening issues, and long-term consequences. Senator Jason Pizzo, a former prosecutor, initially introduced a stricter version of the bill with longer jail terms and harsher penalties. Representative Susan Plasencia and Representative Danny Alvarez carried the House version, House Bill 351. The bill passed the Senate unanimously, but faced more resistance in the House, passing 75 to 40. So, why now? The bill, House Bill 351, also known as Florida's dangerous excessive speeding law, was introduced by Representative Susan Plasencia, a Republican from Winter Park, Florida. She backed the bill in response to a surge in fatal, high-speed crashes across the state, particularly along major corridors like Interstate 95 and Interstate 75. The legislation gained bipartisan traction as part of a broader push to crack down on reckless driving behavior and improve roadway safety. The bill was partly inspired by the 2022 death of 11-year-old Anthony Resnick in Sunny Isles Beach. He was struck and killed in a crosswalk by a driver with over 24 prior traffic citations and a suspended license. That incident galvanized lawmakers and the public, highlighting the deadly consequences of unchecked reckless driving. But some lawmakers, such as Representative Anna Escamani, warned that there is no clear data showing harsher penalties reduce crime, and that Florida is trending toward over-criminalization. So while the law is framed as a public safety measure, it also reflects deeper tensions around criminal justice reform, data-driven policy, and how we define accountability on the road. So is this law a life-saving deterrent, or a fast track to mass incarceration for reckless drivers? Either way, if you are driving in Florida, the road just got a lot more serious. Follow 99rights_online for more breakdowns that make the law make sense.
Smash that like button, subscribe and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at 99rights_online for more legal quickies. Catch you later. And remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay empowered, and keep fighting for what's right. See you next time. Liked this? If you found this information helpful and inspiring, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your friends and family.